Did you ever wondered how the wooden pallets are made? If you are watching this video, you will find the answer. Factories are using machineries to cut out blanks. Blanks are cutted to wooden boards and then time to pallet nailing process with PALLETMAX Machine.
'Cause it's alright, we don't have to play.